Hello and welcome to this video presentation brought to you by the Vegan Soul Food Market and vegan-meal-delivery-services.com. These videos are overviews of the most popular vegan meal delivery services in the United States. Eating plant-based meals are easier when prepared for you, and it increases the chance you get proper nutrition. We encourage everyone who has tried any of these featured services to leave a text or video to help others decide what service fits their needs or if they should find recipes and cookbooks to make their own meals. Be sure to subscribe, not only to see more of these videos, but to see other related topics and support the move to a healthier community. Let us begin. Founded in 2008, the ideal Vegginout customer is someone either fully committed to a vegetarian or vegan diet or someone very interested in giving it a try, but are a bit overwhelmed on how to start, and perhaps unsure about what to cook. Vegginout offers low-carb options for people who are interested in a vegan keto or vegan low-carb approach. The company is based in California and offers a variety of meal options on a rotating 8-week menu. The service ships nationwide. Note that the meals contain multiple servings each, rather than single servings. The low-carb vegan menu features lower-carb meat substitutes like seitan and tempeh, along with zucchini noodles and cauliflower rice instead of rice or pasta. It also substitutes beans for extra vegetables and replaces cookies with extra servings of side dishes or soups. Pros: huge portions of delicious food that you can make in bulk to further convenience, a variety of entrees and side dishes to choose from and mix and match to your tastes, delivers nationwide with recurring and single purchase plans, a great selection of optional extras such as the delicious vegan cookies. The delightful recipes can teach you how to experiment with and improve your plant-based diet. Healthy and nutritionally balanced meals help to ensure your body has exactly what it needs. Cons: the upfront cost can seem exclusively expensive. The vegan meal orders come in a box that is full of individually plastic wrapped items that can be hard to justify for some. Vegginout is a Los Angeles-based weekly vegan meal delivery service founded in 2008. They offer delicious organic healthy plant-based vegan meals to Los Angeles, Southern California, Northern California and nationwide at an affordable price. Their healthy and delicious vegan meals are freshly prepared and cooked and delivered to customers' homes or offices every Monday for LA clients and shipped on Monday for SoCal, NorCal, Arizona and nationwide clients. Each Vegginout vegan dish is low-fat, sometimes oil-free, cholesterol-free, trans-fat-free, dairy-free, cruelty-free, preservatives-free, prepared with organic produce. All vegan dishes are fully cooked. All you have to do is to heat up the delicious vegan dishes and enjoy. They take the guesswork out of preparing and cooking vegan food. They will also accommodate as much as we are able to your special dietary requests such as gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free and other types of allergy-free. All of their vegan dishes come with nutritional information that are available on the website by clicking on the name of the dishes. They have a variety of weekly menus that they rotate to keep their vegan meal service flavors interesting. Thank you for watching our video. In the description or on www.vegan-meal-delivery-services.com are links to the meal services website, a place where you can see and leave reviews, and more info about veganism and plant-based eating. Don't forget to subscribe and share, that is the best support we can ask for. We wish you health and wealth.